Hello, everyone. We're still saying Happy Christmas, actually, because this is being recorded just before Christmas. But we thought it would be lovely to have a little New Year message from Unity, from all of us here at Unity to you. But I'm going to hand straight away over to Kimerie because we have another little bit of news about the problems, the technical problems that we've been suffering over the last couple of weeks or so. So anyway, over to you, Kimerie.
Thank you, Steve. I think, yes, some of you will be aware that we had a technical problem. Our system that is hosted by another company went down, it crashed, and there were several weeks when we didn't have access to any data, and just about now starting to get on top of things. So it's been quite a challenging end of the year season, which actually Advent has helped me stay centered through it. It's really made me practice faith and peace and love where we are right now and moving into joy. Despite all the challenges that we've experienced, I've still found a way to tap into that energy. And that's our work, if you like, as human beings, for all of us in the midst of the challenges, is to know that God is here in the midst. And it doesn't always seem like there's a way out, but there always is. And that's our faith and that's our practice. So very much been doing that this year, but we're gradually coming out and seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. So we thought it would be really nice just to come together, Steve and I, and wish you all a very happy, blessed, healthy, prosperous new year, and to invite you to continue to stay joining us on our online activities. We do so many different things that we'd really, love to join you in these activities and have you join us. And also, just to remind you, we have our Unity Roadshow planned, not arranged yet, but planned for next year. So yes, watch that space.
And we have the Burning Bowl in January, the Burning Bowl service. And also to say, we are still catching up with emails. So if you've emailed us in the last few weeks and haven't yet had a reply, I do apologize for that. But we are still catching up because emails was something that went down very early. And it's been quite a headache to get everything back up to speed. So if we are a little bit slow in responding, please bear with us. We are getting there slowly, step by step. I think that's everything, isn't it, really?
Yes. Yes. So, and also, actually, Steve, one thing, I've just been thinking about our conversation in Unity that we have the first Tuesday of the month. And I was thinking about that and thinking I want to talk about faith because that's been a real practice that I've had to do. So that's going to be the first Tuesday in January.
Okay.
And I haven't got a clue what that is right now, but we will put it out in the newsletter. It'll go online on the website. Do keep checking. And yes, the practice of faith, that's where it starts. So join us in the conversation.
Goodbye. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Thank you.